Question number 5 says factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now we will apply this algebraic identity to solve it. Now to analyze question, we can say 4x square as 2x whole square, 3y whole square, 4z whole square, 2 bracket first term into second term, 2 second term into third term, plus 2 third term into first term. Now 2 into first term. Now we have to analyze the question once again. Whatever term in this part and this part will have negative sign, because negative sign should come as the output. So which term is common in last two terms in this formula? 2yz and 2zx. This z is common part in both. It means 4z must be negative. So you will write here minus 4z and minus 4z, and because 4z is negative, so you will write here also as negative. Now put all the value as it is, like 2x 3y. 2x should be here first term and second term, and here also third term and first term is 2x. Now you can check once again. If you multiply all these number, you will get 12xy, 3 to the 6 to the 12, and here you will get minus 24yz because of this negative sign. Similarly, because of this negative sign, you will again get minus 16xz. So just using this formula, we can say 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square, minus 4z because of this negative sign. So this is the answer. This is the factorization of this whole question. Similarly, in the question number 5 part 2, will solve in the same way. We will analyze the question. We will again try to write as the square of some number, like it is 2, we can write it under root 2 whole square, and x is also with it, so root 2x whole square plus y square. 8 you can write 2 under root 2 z square plus 2 first term into second term, 2 second term into third term, plus 2 third term into first term. Just write first of all like this. Now we will analyze this part and this part of the question, which is common: xz, xz, xy, xz. So x is common. So where is x in the question? We have root 2x. So this root 2 will be negative. Now just place all the number like this: minus root 2x, and second term is y, 2 root 2 z, 2 root 2 z, and minus root 2 x. In this way you will find the answer. Now we'll check it once again. It must be negative, as you can see negative sign is there, so 2 root 2 xy, this one same, and the third term is 8xz, so 2 root 2 into 2 it will give you 4, 4 2s are 8, root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. So it is 8 minus 8xz, it is also there. Now we will apply the formula and we directly say minus under root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. This is the final answer. Now we are doing class 9th exercise 2.5. Question number 6. It says write the following cubes in expanded form. 2x plus 1 whole cube, the first part. A plus b whole cube. This algebraic identity we have to apply. This expansion is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Now using this identity we can write 2x plus 1 whole power 3 as 2x power 3, 1 power 3, 3 the first term and the second term, and first term plus second term. 2x whole cube, 8x cube plus 1, 3 2s are 6x, 2x plus 1. Now to this you can write 8x cube once again plus 1 plus 6x into 2x will give you 12x square, and 6x into 1 is 6x only. So this is the expanded form of the 2x plus 1 whole cube. Second part, 2a minus 3b whole cube. To solve this we have to apply this identity. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b in bracket. Now applying this we can say 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3ab, 2a 3b, and in bracket we will write 2a minus 3b. After simplifying this we will get 2a whole cube 8 cube, 3b whole cube 27b cube, minus 3 3s are 9 2s are 18ab, 2a minus 3b. Now we will rewrite this. 18 2s are 36, a square b minus minus plus 18 3s are 54, ab square, So this is the final required answer. Thank you. Similarly, you can attempt the third and the fourth part.